So it's the Isley cooking. So it's the Isley cooking. So it's the Isley cooking. So. Today we're making berry hand pies. Welcome to Isley's cooking. So today we're gonna make berry hand pies with my daddy Dylan.
Hello! I'm very excited to make berry hand pies with you today, Isley. Are you gonna help me figure it out?
Yes.
All right, let's get to it. To make our berry hand pies, first we need to measure out 1.5 cups of flour. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna take our flour and our measuring cup. Use our scooper. Isley, do you have any tips for how to measure or how to scoop flour?
I don't know how.
Do you have any ways to make it really easy to scoop flour?
Get a big handful of it and then put it in and fatten it with the spoon.
Dump the flour in, and then what's next? Yep.
Sugar.
So we need to measure out 1 tablespoon of sugar. Is that how many tablespoons? Yeah, 1 tablespoon. And put it in the food processor.
Now we'll add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and put in it with the rest. Before we mix it up, we
Half a
need
cup of cream cheese.
half a cup of cream cheese and a whole stick of butter.
1 big old stick of butter, and then we cut it up. Isn't that right? Oh wait a second. Knives! Let's cut this stuff up.
This is how it's done, boys and girls and everybody. While my daddy is working on the butter, I'm gonna work on the cream cheese. Do you need all of this?
All of that.
And all of that.
It's like messy. It's one of those things where you just gotta get messy. Now we
Mix it up.
mix it up. Mix it up.
Now that all the butter is in, we can mix it up before the cream cheese.
So we're gonna mix it up, and then we're gonna put in the cream cheese and pulse it a little bit. We're gonna put in some cream cheese, pulse it up again. It's sticky, but that's what you want.
Then I can lick my hands after.
And then, but after you lick, you gotta wash.
But
Chef says this is still too big, so you see, that would be too big. Chef,
Okay.
watch Chef. That's the size you want. Chef knows best.
Daddy, if I'm the chef, you're my sous chef.
Okay, Chef.
Thanks, sous chef.
A shoe chef? I don't cook shoes. I cook food.
So soon we're gonna mix it.
Chef is just making the perfect size little cream cheese balls. Okay, and since we used our hands, we need to wash our hands before we pulse it up
I'm
again.
gonna look up, Daddy.
Oh, she gotta lick them first.
Now we're gonna post the cream cheese into the dough. Press the button now.
Press the button.
Last step of the dough is adding 3 tablespoons of ice water. Then we post it again. It might be really loud.
Yeah, so you might want to cover your ears.
This is what it's supposed to look like.
Then you need a plastic bag, and you're gonna put it in the plastic bag and shape it into a small disc shape.
I can use the rolling pin. Thanks, you chef. So it's easy though. And then maybe we could use this and like do that a little bit. Put it in a fridge for a half hour. gonna set the timer.
30 minutes, chef.
Now I'm gonna make the film while we're waiting for the dough, and we're using my favorite fruits, raspberries and blueberries.
It's okay to munch a little bit. Don't try this at home. I'm a trained professional.
People watching, catch. We're gonna put all of these ingredients in a medium-sized bowl.
We need 1 cup of raspberries. So take your measuring cup, using your hands, put in 1 cup all the way to this
All the way
line
to
right
that
there.
line?
Yep, 1 cup of raspberries.
We need to go down to my knees and all the way to that one.
Okay, that's 1 cup of raspberries. That's actually a cup and a half, but that's 1 cup of raspberries. Dump the raspberries in the bowl. Next, we need half a cup of blueberries. How's that looking, Chef?
I want leftovers.
She wants leftovers. Does that look like a cup? Half a cup?
Yep.
Do we need 1 little more?
No, that.
No, gotta have
Half a cup.
leftovers.
Look,
Dump it in.
that was supposed to be half a cup too.
And then last, we need a 1/4 cup of sugar.
A 1/4 cup of sugar is 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
And we put in 1 tablespoon of flour.
Just a little bit.
Perfect. Wait until your dough's done. And we have 20 minutes left. What should we do? Should we play?
No,
We're gonna-
let's
we're
wait.
gonna-
Let's wait a little.
We're just gonna stand here and wait for 20 minutes.
And
See you then.
We can after like eat some.
We might munch a little bit. Don't tell me.
Sun is shining bright and everything's alright. I love to hear you singing along my happy song. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Okay, been 20 minutes. Let's go take the dough out of the fridge. I'm gonna do it all by myself. So this is where it's complicated.
Yeah. So first you need to flour, have a well-floured surface to roll the dough out on.
What's this?
So you get your scooper,
There's nothing I could do, and there's nothing I can. I'd love to love you so.
and you want clean hands and a clean surface when you do this. I forgot. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 400 degrees.
Now take all your dough and put it on the flour.
So you want to roll out your dough a little bit more to have it be a little thin, about 1/4 of an inch.
Then you want to use a round cookie cutter to cut out round.
So start from the edge. Put it to the side.
While you're cutting out your circles, your shoe chef can get a sheet.
And put parchment.
And
And
put
and you want to put some parchment paper on it. Okay, so
Yeah.
once you've cut out all your circles, you'll have leftover dough. Isn't that right, Chef?
Yeah.
What you want to do with that leftover dough is clump it back all together and then roll it back out and make some more circles.
We should have a very little dough left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm gonna seal these with the egg wash, and I'm gonna crack this egg. need to put a table of half in the outdoor round. This one?
Some of these might be a little big, so you might need to have your sous chef, like me. I'm the sous chef.
You mean the assistant?
The assistant. Break them up while chef puts them in.
There's one bubble in it. And wheel.
And this one.
That. Why we bust the edges of the dough with the egg?
Right around here.
What
Push
do
the
we do?
edges, yeah, right around
This is the hard part. We need to
Fold the dough over.
fold the dough over and pinch it shut. Pinch.
Pinch the edges shut. Some of them might be harder than others if you made some bigger than others. So you want to use something with lines to seal the edges. Like we're going to use these things. What are they? This one's an elephant. What's yours?
This one's a bunny.
Makes nice little lines on the side.
That one has like a wooden hole.
That's okay.
Oh, it's tiny. We need to put egg wash all over and then a little sugar
On top.
on top. What are you doing, Gummy? Sprinkle sugar.
On top with your hands. We have our secondary assistant, our sous chef. Double sous chef here. Sugar.
That's gonna make enough to make some false fips.
Cool for 15 minutes, and then you put it in the oven at 400.
Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Now we can put it in the oven. It's ready! Yum! We're gonna transfer them to a wire rack and let them cool. And then eat them! And then eat them! Okay, it's cool enough to eat now. Let's try it.
Which one are you gonna have?
I'm gonna have this one, but I wanna try this.
I wanna try this one. Cheers. Whoa.
Wow.
We did good, everyone.
Thanks for watching. This is Isley's cooking show.